Hello guys, how to recover accidentally unsaved Excel documents on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you have any unsaved Excel sheets want to recover, then here are the process. Open any Microsoft Excel worksheet and here click on file option from the top left corner and go to recent files. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find the option more workbooks. Click on it and here you will find recover unsaved workbooks. Click on it and a new window will open and here open this worksheet, select worksheet. All your unsaved worksheet will find here. Simply open it, select it and click on open. Here choose all Excel files and click on open. Your unsaved workbook is now open. Here you will find at the top of the page recovered unsaved file. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on your computer. Click on save as and assign a file name of this worksheet. We will rename it recovered Excel sheet. Choose a location from where you can save and click on save option. Your recovered file is successfully saved. That's all.